Hi, I'm Richard Weber from Springhouse Gardens, and if you've been watching us on Facebook or Instagram over the years, you probably know that I love Japanese forest grass. It doesn't look its best right now, but this is when you need to get out and make your acquaintance with it, because a little bit of maintenance now in March and April will make sure that this plant looks fantastic the rest of the season. So Japanese forest grass, also known as Hakonechloa, is a great shade grass native to the Hakone region of Japan. It's been a favorite of mine for probably 30 years. This is one called Allgold, and all you have to do at this time of the year is grab the foliage, cut it back with your trusty Felco pruner, give it a good little haircut anytime before about the middle of April, because that's when the foliage will start coming back up from it. And you just trim this off, throw the grass fronds in your compost bin, maybe throw a little bit of mulch around this to freshen it up and make sure there's not any weeds, and just sit back and wait and watch this plant become probably a favorite of yours for a long time. So this one is Allgold Hakonechloa. It's one of our all-time favorite shade garden plants. Blends very well with Lenten roses, hostas, ferns. It gives you that nice grassy texture in a shade garden. So check that one out at your nearest garden center, which hopefully is Springhouse Gardens.